Hey people, it's 8 in the morning as I'm recording this, and off late that's what I read a lot and also watch a lot of Netflix whenever I get the time. So, with regard to reading, there is this book by the actress Divya Datta that is called Me and Ma. Or is it Ma and Me? No, Me and Ma. So it's it's a very for anyone who's ever lost a parent, lost your mom, lost your mom. So it's a tribute to the life of the you know the person that Divya Datta, the actress. I just personally, there's some people have a certain magnetic charm about them. So I would say Divya Datta, you could Google it and find this book. I liked the book so much that as soon as I finished reading, I gifted it to a friend because I feel only someone who's been through a similar sort of loss would that book is precious. Yeah, so just Google it, people. Divya Datta, the actress, the book that she's written, because it is mind blowing. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.